Hello everyone, this is me again, Sarah, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video guys, we will do the unboxing of the GoPro Hero 8 Black. This is my first GoPro ever. So this is the unshakable Hero camera with a game-changing hyper smooth 2.0 stabilization and a jaw-dropping slow-mo. So the sensor resolution of this camera is 12 megapixels. It also supports 4K 60 video, which is really good for vlogging. And for live streaming, it is 1080 pixels, or also known as Full HD. Other features of this camera: face detection, wind noise reduction, night mode, GPS. It also has a time warp 2.0 and a touchscreen with a screen size of 2 inches. So aside from being a pocket-sized camera, this is a completely waterproof down to 33 feet or 10 meters. So let's check this out.
Open up, you open up.
Okay, so let's open this one. All right. Oh, so cute. That's it for today, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell notification for you to get updated. Thank you and see you again.